Finding students on ESL and ELD programs in Aspen. First, log into Aspen and select your school. Once your school loads, you're going to click on the Programs tab. This information here now in the Programs tab gives me a list of all of my students at my school. If I want to be able to manipulate that data, I might click on the little printer menu, and I'll save it as a CSV file. That helps me to save it. It'll say, do you understand the risks? I say, yes, I understand the risks. If your pop-ups are blocked, you might have to turn them off. So you might have a little thing that pops up that says pop-up blocked. You're going to click always allow pop-ups and redirects from this website and click on done. And then we have to try that again. So I click on the printer icon. I click on CSV. I click on I understand the risks, continue. Now it will launch a little file. I'm going to name it something I can remember. It'll save it to my computer, usually in the downloads folder on a Chromebook. So I'm going to call this Centennial Data, MLL Data. How about we do that? And I'll click Save. And now it's saved. Now if I want to open it, I can open it inside my Google Drive. So I'll open up a new tab, open up Google Drive, drive.google.com. Then I'm going to click on the plus sign at the very top for new, file upload, and I'm pulling in my Centennial MLL data.csv. It'll upload that, and once it's in my file, I can open it. Now, right now, it's still a CSV, comma, separated values. I don't want that. I want to go up to the top and click Open with Google Sheets. And then that way I can actually manipulate the data. There it is. It's in Google Sheets. First thing I'm going to do is freeze that data. So I'm going to go up the first line. I don't want that to get all jumbled. So I'm going to go View, Freeze one row. There we go. Now that will never get mixed up. And then I can sort this data, sort sheet from A to Z. So sort it by the reading step. I can sort it by listening step. I can sort it by their grade level, whatever I need to do to see this data. And this is just giving me this quick and dirty list of all of my students, if they're ESL or ELD, and what step they are for overall listening, speaking, reading, and writing. I can then print this out if I want, or I can just keep it as a doc here and keep adding to it if needed, or make little check boxes over here if I want to, whatever I want to do. But this gives me a quick list of my students that are in Aspen that have ESL or ELD programs.